unboxing from Kickstart.net. Today I'm so happy I will make this step review of this Hermes, the Birkin. You can see this is a black color. You can check the signs. It's very super. Done good details on the important details about this so gorgeous bag. Firstly, you can check this golden, this detail. You can check this Hermes logo right here. Can you check it? It's not so clear, right? Okay, and let me open this lock so you can check this Hermes, the logo, clearly. Now check it. This golden detail is very shiny and gorgeous. Can you see the logo? Okay. And now I have opened this bag. You can check the leather right here. You can check it comes with this so nice tumble leather. You can check this texture is really nice. Now also right here you can check this Hermes. The writing, you can check this detail. It's very on point. And also this lock, so gorgeous. Next, check this signs. You can check this really in a so perfect shape. Really gorgeous. And on the back side, you can check this bag was very simple. Very beautiful. On the bottom, you got this detail on the bottom, and also can check the stitching on the bottom. The stitching is so good, perfect, and I really love this leather. I think this leather looks so expensive. Really good. Okay, I want to show this handle. You can check the handle. The leather on the handle is so perfect. You can check this handle. Good. And with the stitching on the handle, you can see the cutting and the workmanship is amazing. Go ahead, let me show you guys the back inside. Let me get out this one. I found this inside. You can check this Hermes, this card. Next, you got this golden lock. The lock, really beautiful. This is the key. And also let me say what is on its back. You can check this tag, the leather tag, very beautiful. Now let me show this back inside. You can see it comes with this 1, 2, 3, 3 inside, 3 the pocket inside. It's lift up. You can check this. Okay, you can see this is very large inside, so you can put some some items inside is very roomy. Let me show this inside again. You can see this golden zipper. And this is small pockets. Okay, here is the inside of the bag. Let me show this bag again. Really gorgeous, right? You got this so huge box. Okay. Do you like this Birkin? If you like this color in this size, you can go to my website or directly contact Lily. I will show some good pictures or more information about this bag. Thank you for watching. I will see you next one. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Thank you so much. See you next one.